know how everyone says AI will take your job? Well, today, it officially stole mine. Just got replaced by an AI video editing tool, and now AI edits my YouTube videos. So yeah, I basically fired myself. But listen, I'm not going to gatekeep this. I'm going to show you this tool in today's video. And I'm also giving away a 1-month pro account of this tool, but only to the first 3 subscribers. So watch till the end to know how to enter the giveaway. In my last video, I showed you Diffusion Studio Pro, a browser-based AI editing tool, and you guys loved it. But today, I'm going to tell you about FlexClip and their 2 newly launched AI tools. Feature number 1, AI Auto Editing. This tool is helpful if you woke up late and need a video in 5 minutes. You just have to basically upload your clips, pick a theme, and FlexClip creates a complete video automatically. The cuts, transitions, subtitles, and music. Everything happens in 1 click. Feature number 2, AI Recreate. This one feels illegal. You pick a template you like, upload your footage, and FlexClip rebuilds your video in the same style. Same pacing, same animations, same vibe. You basically borrow pro-level editing skills with 1 click. And, like I said at the start, I'm giving away 3 FlexClip 1-month pro accounts. Here's how to enter the giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, join Telegram group. The link is in the description. Then send your FlexClip account email and a screenshot proving you're subscribed to the channel. The first 3 people who send their details will immediately get a 1-month FlexClip Pro account from me. Alright, I'm signing off. See you in the next one.